JavaScript versus Python, two giants. But in 2025, which one gives you more demand, more money, and more future prospects? Hi, I'm Tala, a CS student exploring what tech is truly worth in today's world. In this video, I'll compare JavaScript and Python across jobs, salaries, ease of learning, future trends, so you can decide where to focus. Let's dive in. Python, late 80s/90s, gained popularity for simplicity, readability, used in scripting/data/etc. JavaScript, mid-90s for web browsers, evolved to full stack, Node.js, mobile, etc. Popularity stats, GitHub, surveys, etc. How many devs use each? What percentage of job postings mention them? Python, data science per milliliter, automation, backend, research. JS, frontend, SPAs, backend, Node.js, mobile, React Native, tools, maybe even AI via JS libs. Python continues to grow especially in AI/ML data roles. Peerlist, Python's association with high-value AI and ML projects. JS TypeScript remains dominant in web dev frontend and full stack. Use of JS is essential for websites, app UIs, also in startups and SaaS. US, Europe, Asia, Pakistan, India. Local demand and which roles are more common. Tech, finance, healthcare, etc., where Python shines versus where JavaScript shines. For Python, US senior AI ML roles often $130, $180, $100 year. JavaScript devs in full stack roles maybe $100, $160, $000 year, depending on experience. If possible, data for Pakistan, India, etc. For example, Indian ranges for Python, JS roles, from Peerlist or similar. Show ranges. What someone with 0-2 years gets, what mid-level gets, senior or specialized, AI ML full stack lead. Python, simple syntax, less boilerplate, readable, many tutorials. JS, more complex at first, async patterns, browser quirks, different frameworks, type issues, but highly visual feedback, you build front-end things. Python, libraries for data science, ML, TensorFlow, PyTorch, web frameworks, Django Flask, scripting, automation. JS, frameworks, React, Vue, Angular, backend with Node.js, bundlers, package managers, front-end tools, TypeScript trend, which has more open courses, free resources, how fast things change, how stable frameworks are. Great for prototyping, data workflows, good for server-side, in many cases slower in some performance-critical tasks. Interpreter overhead, fast in front-end, improving server-side, large ecosystems, sometimes messy code bases, browser compatibility, a lot of frameworks, choice overload, AI, ML, data, scientific computing, automation less used for front-end UI, fewer mobile, desktop native apps, web UI, interactive apps, real-time, huge demand for web dev as above, but heavy JS UX, cross-browser bugs, steep learning curve for modern full-stack paradigms, growth in AI and data roles, enterprise backend, research needs deep domain knowledge sometimes for high pay, many web, SaaS, full-stack roles, startups, freelance work competition, frameworks change often, JS fatigue for some devs. AI, ML, LLMs, Python will continue to dominate due to established libraries. WebAssembly, edge computing, JavaScript plus WASM, serverless, possibly running code in new places. TypeScript uptake, type safety, large code bases. Tools and AI that might reduce boilerplate, both will be impacted. Remote work, global hiring, changing salaries, geography. If you are starting fresh, want quick wins, visible UI, JS might be more satisfying early on. If your interest is in data science per milliliter, AI, research, automation, Python is more powerful. If you want to specialize or become a full-stack engineer, combining JS front and back, plus Python for data, could be a winning combo. Local job markets matter. What employers in your city or country want. So, who wins? There is no one-size-fits-all winner, it depends on what you want. Ease, domain, money, etc. But if I had to pick for 2025, for long-term growth, Python edges ahead in domains of AI data, while JavaScript remains essential for web plus full-stack roles. Use both? Even better. Which one are you learning, and why? Leave a comment. Maybe I'll make a video where I build the same project first in JavaScript, then in Python, so you can visually see differences. Subscribe, like, share, etc. Share?